Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Say no dan salama fi kimo lo.
Wa alaikum salam wabarakatuh.
Lákọ̀ọ́kọ́ ṣé bèjì lẹ́yìn méjì ni?
They are sisters. Ọmọ ìyá kan náà ọmọ bàbá kan náà ni wọ́n.
Mo rí pé múra yín ó fi taratara jọra bákan náà. Kí ló inspire dressing yín lálẹ́?
Actually, I just came back from Saudi when I heard about the program. So, nǹkan tó jẹ́ kí mo wà inspired about this thing is because of the team. They wrote Arabian Reality Night, and I'm somebody that I've been living in Arab country for the past 6 years or so. So, somebody that I've known their culture, everything, and this is how they dress for wedding, normally on their wedding day. So, seeing that program that day, I was so happy that, okay, what was the time Timo on board was still from vacation, so let me just attend, and I just, okay, let's get this done like this.
Thank you. Agbọ́ ti àǹtí tó ṣe ti Saudi dé. Kí ló inspire dressing? Ṣé pé àǹtí yín lọ wọ́n dé ni àbí nǹkan mi ló inspire yín?
Actually, it's still the same thing, the Arabian Rare Night, because I can't imagine someone bringing Arab down to Nigeria. Imagine seeing people like we are in Arab and the culture. Actually, my dressing is representing the Omanites, and it's
Omani style, let me put it. Shout out to my Omani family. It's an Omani.
So, are we supposed to be expecting vibes from you, or you're just here to watch the program?
Yeah, vibe, everything, just everything.
Okay, in one word, describe ATM Annobiy.
ATM Annobiy is a susu.
What about you?
He's somebody that everybody looks up to, like wanted to hear Zikiri, and he's a very good person. Actually, I do not know him before, I won't lie. So I just got to know him the day I saw the program online, and I told him that, okay, I'm coming to Nigeria and I'm interested in this program because of the team. Like, I want to represent my Arabian family. So, and he said that, oh, no problem, that is something that I would be so happy to at least welcome us and something. So that was...
All right. We are going to be expecting vibes from you, and I will be watching the both of you. I want nothing but vibes. Thank you so much for coming tonight. God bless you. Have fun.